So I wanted to take a moment to show you how to access your MyGCC from our Glendale homepage. So we'll go to glendale.edu, and at the top we have our email, our Canvas, and most importantly our MyGCC. So we're going to click on MyGCC, and then we're going to log into our MyGCC account. Specifically, it's your student ID number, and if it's the first time you're logging in, it's going to be your birthday for the password. If you're having trouble logging into your account, you can click Forgot Password or MyGCC login problems, or if you're still having trouble, you can contact Admissions and Records or the Assessment Center. So we're going to go ahead and log in, and when we log in, we want to click on Main Menu and Student Center. So our Student Center is kind of like where we do everything. View our financial aid, we can enroll in classes, look at our planner from our counselor, look at our enrollment dates. This specifically is telling me that my enrollment date is April 27th. If we click on details, it also tells me the time that my registration begins. So this is telling me that on April 27th at 4 p.m. I can begin registering. Now let's go back up here to our Student Center. Now from our Student Center, on the left-hand side, you'll see in a moment under Academics is where we can actually enroll in classes. So right here under Academics, we want to click Enroll. And for the sake of this example, we're going to enroll in a spring class. And over here on the left, if your counselor had done a planner for you, you can enroll based off classes that were listed in your planner. Or if your counselor maybe printed something for you or wrote the classes down for you, then we can come from Class Search. So we're going to hit Search. And specifically, I'm looking at my educational plan in front of me. And my counselor told me that I needed to be enrolling in Real Estate 105. So we're going to, for the sake of this, we're going to go down to Real Estate. And we're going to type in number 105 because that's the number my counselor told me to enroll in, and we're going to hit search. And then if we scroll down, this is telling me there's one section of the class I'm interested in. It meets on Thursdays from 6:40 to 10 in this location with this professor, and these are the dates of the class. So this class is from May 4th to June 6th. If the class said status green, like this example up here, the class would mean it was open. If it was a blue square, the class would be telling you it was closed. If it's a yellow triangle, like this one is, it means it's waitlisted. So anytime a class is waitlisted, so we want to hit select for the class. And anytime a class is waitlisted, we would want to check this box, which is telling you waitlist if class is full. And then we're going to always hit next. And this is now putting the class in your shopping cart. You're not enrolled in this class and you're not waitlisted in this class yet. It's just in your shopping cart, kind of like in the queue, waiting for you to enroll. So if we scroll down, we want to click here, the green button, proceed to step 2 of 3, and then finish enrolling, the green button again. And this is now telling me that this class is full and I have been placed in the wait list at position number 6. So now this is telling me I'm officially on the wait list of this class, and it gives me what position I am in the class. If I click on my class schedule, you'll see here this class is listed under my class schedule, and it tells me I'm waiting to get into this class and I'm at number 6. So again, just a quick little example of how to navigate your MyGCC account to register for classes.